Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Canva to Dropbox for assets and folders step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Dropbox.com. Log into your Dropbox account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Apps tab on the left sidebar. Click on Apps to see a list of connected applications. Now, open a new tab and go to Canva.com. Log into your Canva account. Once in Canva, go to the home page and find the Create a Design button. Click on the button to start a new project. Next, look for the Uploads tab on the left side of the Canva interface. Click on Uploads to reveal options for uploading your files. At the top right corner of the Uploads panel, you will see an option labeled Connect to Cloud Storage. Select Connect to Cloud Storage to see available options. From the list, choose Dropbox. A new window will pop up asking for permission to connect Canva to your Dropbox account. Click on the Allow button to proceed. Your Dropbox account will now be connected to Canva. Return to your Canva workspace. Next, click on the Uploads tab again to refresh it. You should now see your Dropbox files available for selection. Simply click on any file from Dropbox to upload it to your current project. You can also create new folders in Dropbox for better organization. To access your folders, just navigate through the Dropbox files displayed in Canva. Once you have all necessary assets, continue designing your project. Now you're ready to use your Dropbox assets seamlessly in Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.